Hey guys, what's up? It's Jordan here. It's Sunday. We're out and about today doing some stuff. We're about to eat at Red Robin. I don't know what else we'll do today, but we'll try to get something in. Today I'm going to be checking out Mr. Ed's and Candy Emporium. Now, if you guys have never been here, it is crazy. Just outside, it's just so decorated up and stuff. I'm gonna take you guys inside, show you the little museum they have, and I'm gonna take you around back. Here's how you tell the forecast around here. Stone is wet, it's raining. Stone is dry, not raining. Stone on ground, sunny. Snow white on top, snowing. Can't see stone, foggy. Stone swinging, windy. Stone jumping up and down, earthquake. Stone gone, it's a tornado. This place back here is just very, very interesting. Mr. Ed's. The place actually burnt down. I don't know the exact date it actually burnt down, but they've really had a comeback. Just all the stuff around here. So you can hear the fountain trying to work over there, but the pond is frozen, and the big elephant behind it. I apologize for all the cars. We are right by the highway. These little benches. Some giraffes. It's amazing how they get some of this stuff. Giraffe. More elephants. They got, it's cool how they have everything back here. Outhouse garden. It's very nice, very nice. All these little guys. Now back here is interesting because not only is it's just weird because you got the enchanted forest right here, but people have come to put anything they want on these, especially shoes and hats. You can just see the mass amount of shoes, hats, beer bottles, anything you can think of all around here. It's a very cool little stop. If you're anywhere near Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, or Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, come out this way. Just Google it, you'll find the address. But it's amazing that they've made a recovery from it, and they've came back and they have this really cool place that just, that fell off. It's amazing all the stuff they have. The elephant cemetery, where all broken elephants go to die. The Hi-Ho Trail is covered in dwarfs. Look at all these dwarfs. I don't know their names, I forget them. And look at the end, Snow White. This is very cool. Just the whole ambiance of this place is amazing. And it's just very cool that somebody has this and can maintain it. And it's just very cool to stop at. I know I'm saying it's cool, but it's always a treat to stop here. I'll show you all the candy we got because I went a little crazy with the candy. Some of the nicest wind chimes I have ever heard. I don't know to be amazed or partially frightened at this. This elephant, it's amazing. Whew. Mr. Ed himself. You know, if I wasn't so cold, my hands hurt so bad from holding the camera. It's like 17 degrees out. I would stay longer and give more of an oversight, but time to head back to the warm car. Here's what we ended up getting at the candy shop, guys. Got some pink grapefruit gummy bears, some orange rock candy, some chocolate covered pretzels, and we got this. It's a movie about 30 West, which is where Mr. Ed's is located, and it's 3 movies, and he signed it himself. What's up, guys? It's really late. I'm tired. Got home, hung out with my fiance a lot today. It was a very fun day. Got some good filming in, just had a good day. So, you know what? I'm going to put a wrap on that, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.